Okay, so here's the issue I'm having. The way that I like to snap to orthographic views in Blender is by using the functionality where I'm rotating and then I press Alt and it snaps as I'm rotating. I like it because it's similar to 3D code, it just gives me a little bit more control. Um, Whereas if I use the numpad, it'll swing the camera around in a way that I don't want, like that. If I'm using the rotate and press Alt, I can get it at whatever view I want. The problem is that when I snap to top view, which I'll often use to move stuff around, as long as I have my camera lined up with the world grid and I snap, it'll be in top orthographic view up here in top left. And when I go out of that view and rotate the camera, I'm back in user perspective just like I want. However, if I snap to this 45-degree angle in the top rather than this 90-degree angle where I'm lined up with the grid, so if I snap to this 45-degree angle, instead of being in top orthographic view, I'm in user orthographic view. And then when I click to rotate, I'm still stuck in user orthographic view, and I have to hit numpad 5 or snap to some other view before I can rotate out to get back to user perspective view. It seems like, oops, sorry about that. It seems like if I have auto perspective checked, that should apply to both this top orthographic view and this 45-degree angle top orthographic view, because in a complicated scene, I'll often accidentally not even realize that I've snapped to this 45-degree angle rather than this 90-degree angle, and I'll find myself stuck in user orthographic view and have to get myself out either with the number pad or by snapping to one of the other standard 90-degree orthographic views and then rotate. So this seems like maybe not a glitch, but an oversight. So I wanted to see if maybe this could be patched in a future version of Blender. Thanks.